focus on the 2V on this one.
Again, get the crotch of that inboard hand up to get the blade buried. Inboard hand up.
Attention.
Press on the heels.
Go.
Still locking. Accelerate. Good.
Good. Accelerator on the outside. Push the whole stroke. Finish out the full stroke. Push.
They almost went too low, but I'm okay with that. Yeah, they almost settled too low, but I'm okay with that because it was rhythmic and they moved. It took 2 seats back. Good.